Japan. Hello. Hello, Japan tayo. Ice cream.
Gate, the big red gate in the water. Yep. Now it's our free time. Have fun. Please come back to the parking lot. Just go to the bus at our meeting time. 3:20. Yep. Okay. Thank you.
Thank
跟大家
you.
讲一下，我们有2条路啊，上边是神社，然后下边是鸟居，然后2条路都可以选。然后等会儿我们的集合点就是在大巴的最后一条路。讲一下这个。
Pahugas ka ng kamay. Gasa mo yung ano mo, yung helmet. Gasa mo yung helmet mo pa. Gasa mo yung helmet mo. Dali. Para maputlo. Dali mo yan. Guys, hello. Iuwi ko na itong isang puno dito. Ang laki ng puno niya, guys. May multo. Hello. Hello guys. Ang taas ng ano. Kapit nga ako dito. Ang laki ng puno. Oh. Kaya tayo. Malakas pa. Hello. Dito tayo sa taas. Pinasal mo ba na sana mabuntis ka na ulit? Okay. Hello! Hello guys! Andito tayo ngayon. Naglalakad-lakad. Para siyang Taiwan. Guys.
Ilan tayo sa ano? Ilan masarap dito?
Cool yan. Kakain na tayo. Para pala tong Taiwan. Paakit mo sa taas. Parang Taiwan. Ang dami paakit. Matatapos na yung oras natin. Ang dami yung mga yung pagkain doon. Yung mga, sabi niya yung mga peking parang chichirya. Ang dami doon. Wow, ang sarap naman ng kinakain niya. Ang laki. Bibili rin tayo. Saan bumanda yun? Siopaw na blue. Lipat-lipat.
ないけどな。
Ano kaya ito try ko, guys? Ah, ito. So, ito yung binili ko. Tikman natin to.
こっちは多分アイスは食える。クラスいないよ。普通の美味しいアイス。
Hello, one.
250円です。
色への返品が。
11?
Yes.
はい、550円です。
Tikman natin to. Wow, ang sarap. Kain na tayo. Ah, ang laki na yun, guys. Sa akin na rin. Sarap.
Maliit lang talaga siya, ma'am?
Mga 750 tayo alas.
Bawal ka mo sa basa kumuha. Kilikman pa lang. Kumuha na yung binili ko. Ice cream. Hello, ice cream tayo ngayon. Agad ang ice cream niya. Oh, mamudidikit yan dito. Basta agad ang ice cream niya, oh. Ang bilis mo naman kumain, ang lamig-lamig yan, eh. Bye guys. Hello guys. Bye. Sakay na kami sa aming car. Bye. See you next time. Sa susunod na video. Bye.
Are happy and they are happy with my service. They are happy with our day tour, and you know, just keep a good mood. And anyway, have fun in Tokyo. In my opinion, don't drive it. Just stand next to the road, and when the go-kart pass by, wave at them. They will actually come up to you and take photo with you, because those people, as I mentioned before, the price is pretty high. They pay good money on those go-karts, and they want to be recorded. Anyway, the last thing I want to mention about Shibuya area is the British pub in the Shibuya area. So like British bars. Not only because they have pretty authentic British beers, which is in those pubs, you will get the chance to meet people traveling from all over this world. People love drinking beers, and people love to chat with other people. And yeah, it is friends. Just in case next time when you are in a whole new different country, maybe you will have a friend over there. It is the best way to make new friends in those British pubs. Anyway, that's pretty much all I have recommendations on the downtown area. As I mentioned before, Tokyo is just another big downtown. It's pretty much similar to other downtowns, but you do get the chance to meet all kind of people. So in the last, it is still part of my job.
Thank you.
So I do need the reviews. If you are kindly
Thank
enough
you.
to give，不会发生，因为日本是全世界最安全的国家。然后你也不用替他们担心啊，他们只是睡着了。尽管他们的钱包啊、他们的手机啊、他们的钱啊散落在旁边啊，但是这些东西来的位置，然后新宿站歌舞伎町街上的这些居酒屋啊，我个人建议啊，就是去看一看就好，它的装饰什么的都很漂亮。但是我个人是建议不要进去喝酒，因为里边的这些日本顾客啊，他们经常喝醉了，就是做一些疯狂的事情啊，也非常的吵。然后在东京站的旁边也都有非常多的这个商店啊，这各种各样的品牌啊这种的。然后在新宿站
Apple juice, corn and patanik. Ito ang burger sa Japan. Hindi may burger sa Japan. Wow, double patty. Shrimp. Wow, sarap. Sa akin.